Question number 3, first subsection. I am given 3 points. I will name them as A, B and C. So I have to prove that the given vertices are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle na two sides are equal, correct? So I need to find the distance of AB, BC and CA using the distance formula and see if two distances are equal. Rendu distance equal the given vertices are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So first distance AB will be Z2 minus Z1, minus 6 minus of minus 10. It will be minus 6 plus 10, okay? Minus 6 plus 10 the whole square plus y coordinate, y2 minus y1. So 6 minus 7 the whole square plus x2 minus x1, 1 minus 0 the whole square, okay? This is under the square root. So again, BC ki first I will write down the distances, then I will calculate. So BC can B and C. So minus 6 minus of minus 6, which will be minus 6 plus 6. So square root of minus 6 plus 6 the whole square plus 9 minus 6 the whole square plus 4 minus 1 the whole square. AC will be square root of A and C pakano. So minus 6 minus of minus 10 is minus 6 plus 10 the whole square plus 9 minus 7 the whole square plus 4 minus 0 the whole square under the square root. So what will I have? Minus 6 plus 10 is 4 square, which is 16, plus 6 minus 7 minus 1 square is 1, plus 1 square is again 1. So what will I have? 16, 17, 18. So root of 18 units. So this is the distance AB. So BC can minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Square root of 0 plus 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 square is 9. Plus 4 minus 1, 3. 3 square is 9. So I will have root 18 units. So inge I see that AB equals BC. So the given vertices are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Now AC equal irundhalum prachana illa, equal illanalum prachana illa. Equal illana isosceles triangle. AC idu renduthukkum equal irundhaduna we'll have an equilateral triangle. Okay? So what will this be? Minus 6 plus 10, 4 square, which is 16, plus 9 minus 7, 2 square, which is 4, 4 square, which is 16. So 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 16 is 36. So root 36, which is 6 units. So it doesn't matter what my third side is. So I have AB equals BC. So the given vertices are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay. So I am given 3 vertices and I have to prove that they are the vertices of a right triangle. So the A, B and C. So for a right triangle, I want the hypotenuse square equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Correct? Adu endha rendu side nu theriyadhu. So first we will find out the distance. Okay. So I want AB square, which means I can remove the square root. So AB ke Z2 minus Z1 the whole square, 6 minus 10 the whole square, plus 6 minus 7 the whole square, plus minus 1 minus 0. So it will be minus 1 minus 0 the whole square. This is AB square. Next BC square will be B and C. So I have 6 minus 6 the whole square plus 9 minus 6 the whole square plus minus 4 minus of minus 1, which will be minus 4 plus 1 the whole square. Adhe mari AC square enna varum? AC square will be 6 minus 10 the whole square plus 9 minus 7 the whole square plus minus 4 minus 0 the whole square. So idu calculate panna enna varum? 6 minus 10 is minus 4 square is 16 plus 6 minus 7 is 1 square is 1, minus 1 whole square is 1. So this will be 16, 17, 18 units. Okay. This will be unit square. Okay. We have squared on both sides. So this will be square units. Okay. Idukku 6 minus 6, 0, plus 9 minus 6, 3 square is 9, minus 4 plus 1. So it will be minus 3 the whole square, which is also 9. So this will be 18 square units. Adhe mari 6 minus 10. What will I have? Minus 4 the whole square is 16. Plus 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 square is 4. Plus minus 4 the whole square is again 16. So I have 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 4 is 36. Okay. So what do I have? AC square the largest. So I have AC square, which is 36, equals AB square plus BC square. So AB square plus BC square, which is 18 plus 18, which is 36. So 36 equals 36, which means AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So the given vertices are of the right triangle. Okay, you have to write the answer like that. Write the entire sentence. The given vertices are the vertices of a right triangle. Okay. So I need to show that the given vertices are the vertices of a parallelogram. Parallelogram na enna? The opposite sides are equal and parallel. But in that parallel lam prove panna vendam. You can prove that the opposite sides are equal, which means you have to find the distance formula. So I'll first name them A, B, C and D. So I need to find the distance AB, BC, CD and DA. I have to see which two sides are equal. If the two sides are equal, opposite sides are equal, then it's the vertices of a parallelogram. Okay. So AB and 5 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus of minus 1 is 1 plus 1 the whole square. BC, this will be under the square root. Okay. Square root of this. BC it will be 8 minus 5. So this will be square root of 8 minus 5 the whole square plus BC. So minus 7 plus 2. Minus 7 plus 2 the whole square. 4 minus 1 the whole square. Okay. Next CD. So I have 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 the whole square plus minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 the whole square plus 2 minus 4 the whole square. Okay. DA in our row, which means AD. So I can do 4 minus 1 the whole square. 4 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2 the whole square plus 2 minus of minus 1 and 2 plus 1 the whole square. So what will I have? 5 minus 1 4, 4 square 16 plus minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 square is again 16 plus 1 plus 1 2 square is 4. So I'll have 16 plus 16 32, 32 plus 4 is 6, 36. So root of 36 will be 6 units. Okay. In the distance 8 minus 5, which is 3. 3 square is 9 plus minus 7 plus 2 minus 5 the whole square, which is 25 plus 4 minus 1 and 3. 3 square is 9. So I have 25 plus 9, which is 34. 34 plus 9 is root 43. This further simplify panna mudiyadhu. So root 43 units. Again, either ipo panna 4 minus 8 is minus 4 the whole square 16. Minus 3 plus 7 4 square 16. 2 minus 4 minus 2 whole square 4. It is the same as this. So I have root 36, which is 6 units. In that line, 4 minus 1, which is 3 the whole square 9. Minus 3 minus 2, which is minus 5 whole square 25. 2 plus 1 3. 3 square is 9. Again, I have the same thing. So I have root 43 units. So what do I have? AB equals CD and BC equals DA. Okay, so I have the two sides are equal, but if the opposite adjacent and everything. So I have a parallelogram. So if the vertices are cyclic, so I have A, B, C, D. You should not write A, B, C, D. Okay, va? So A, B, C, D. I have AB equals CD. So AB equals CD. These two sides are equal. BC equals DA. So BC equals DA. So I have the opposite sides are equal. So you have to check opposite side or adjacent on pakano. If AB equals BC, you have the adjacent sides to be equal. Opposite sides equal. So parallelogram. So opposite adjacent check pannunga. The opposite sides are equal. So the given vertices are the vertices of a parallelogram. This is parallel GM na gram, parallelogram. Okay, short form.